Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Here at Russ Darrow Mazda, we strive to make your car buying experience as easy and memorable as possible. When you come into our store, one of the things that you can do to make your car buying experience easier is to park in our customer designated area. Those are marked with the yellow lane markings, and it will say customer parking. Some of the other things you can do to make your car buying experience easier for you is to bring a valid hard copy of your driver's license. Also, bring a hard copy of your up-to-date valid insurance card. If you're financing with us, what we recommend is to bring 2 copies of your most recent check stubs just to prove your income. Also bring a copy of proof of residency. A proof of residency can be an electric bill, a cable bill, a bank statement, something proving that you live where you live. Once again, here at Russ Darrow Mazda, it's all about the customer experience and making sure that your car buying experience goes easy and quickly. Once again, come see Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'll look for you on my lot. You take care. Have a great day.